So it's Wednesday morning. It's the 21st of March, and I'm pre-medicated. I'm about to go see Dr. Vin, and he is going to insert large needles into the back of my neck and then leave a catheter behind. And he's going to insert a radio wave emitter, and he's going to burn, destroy, desiccate, or otherwise render ineffective the sensory cutaneous nerves from my C-spine that exit through the facets. I'm hopeful it's going to give me some pain relief and cut down on my little tremors.
And I'm the driver.
And this,
and taking
of course,
care of
is the DW. I'm ready to go.
And I'm going to make sure they treat you right.
I'm ready to make this happen.
Okay, let's do it.
Lidocaine. 1, 2, 3. Bee sting. Ant bite.
So basically, you state in writing that due to your clinical experience and the clinical situation of the patient and the drugs, that you do not expect it to be effective. The stepwise therapy, that they are required by law to approve the drug use program.
Wow.
And they have to do it within 72 hours.
Oh, that's perfect.
I sure don't feel anything.
You don't feel anything?
Yeah. I put lidocaine so you shouldn't feel too much. You may feel a little bit heat here in a little bit. But the lidocaine numbed it up, so shouldn't expect too much. See that?
And then how long do you usually do this for?
80 seconds.
Oh, okay. So it's not long at all.
Yeah, just enough to create, it's about a 10 millimeter sphere of heat.
Okay. And will that permanently kill those nerves?
Nope, unfortunately not.
They'll go back.
So the nerves,
Bummer.
what it does, it destroys it, so it doesn't work. But the nerves will eventually grow back, and so the 3 to 6 months period that it may help is calculated from how fast the nerves regrow and reattach itself.
So is this something you can repeat?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Absolutely. Yeah, so most insurance will allow us to repeat it every 6 months.
If it works, it doesn't matter.
Correct.
He's being really nice.
Good job.
And don't forget, so the Toradol should help the pain from this procedure for tomorrow and the next day, but you may still feel a little bit more soreness in the next 48 hours, okay? Just don't be alarmed.
Good. So outside of Toradol and lidocaine, did you put any steroids in this time?
Yep, yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit? Okay. That's going to have some blood drawn tomorrow, so...
So you may see your glucose a little high tomorrow.
Yeah.
Is that for insurance or something?
No, I've gone
Annual?
vegan and I want to do a follow-up civil labs after a month. I want to make sure that my cholesterol's down.
Gotcha.
He's lost about 30 pounds.
Oh, wow.
I've been able to drop my blood pressure medicine and I dropped my cholesterol medicine, thinking I wouldn't need it anymore. So
Wow.
the only meds I'm taking are just having to do with my neck. I'm taking the Lyrica and the Cyclopine.
Because I have...
Then, of course, in the evening when I leave, you have a lot of longevity in the family, so they all help.
And that's a wrap.
to show excitement right now.
Woohoo.
I'm just feeling drowsy.
All right, you should turn it off.
You think so?
Yeah.
But I like looking at you because you're so pretty.
Oh, you're so sweet. I like looking at you too.
Yeah, I'm ugly. All right.
All right, let's do this.
Hi, I'm Rachel.
And I'm Michelle. Today we'd like to tell you about Meta 7
Meta 7 will help you activate your life.
and get you where you need to be and through the day.
Check it out. There's a link in the description below.